The receiver tower here on the subframe of the tractor has a U-shaped shackle at the bottom and a cross pin at the top. And then the vertical member of the loader has a pin at the bottom that drops into the U-shaped shackle, and obviously enough cross pin boss there at the top. So we just drive forward, drop this pin into that U-shaped shackle, and then as we head forward, the rest of it will kind of nestle into its place. Be installing a permanent winch, crank winch up here, and that'll be a little better than this ratchet strap, but it's working for now. All right, so it's just about dropped. Driving forward will get it to rock in for us. All right, now we've got it dropped into the shackles. So now we need to get this post to rock back. And the way to do that is to go ahead and get the loader hooked up and powered. So we remove that hose. We remove that hose. Swap them. That one goes there. This one goes here. You know, with these quick disconnects, it's kind of hard to hold with one hand and push with the other, but it's not impossible. All right, so now the loader is powered. Successfully removed my watch by breaking the pin out of it. That's not what I wanted to do. Oh well. All right, so these pins are a little bit difficult. I think that with the passage of time, that they'll work in a little bit. All right, there's the left side pin, or whatever side that is, I'm not sure. And then this one we're actually a little bit too far forward, so I can use the tractors I think I just ran out of gas. Okay, having taken a break to fill the gas tank, we shall resume. I leave that tool right here. It's handy for getting the pins out and handy for driving the pins back in. At this point, the loader is mounted. I'll go ahead and, back up so that you can see it happen. The prior owner left this cable here where you can pull at that discharge chute and wrap it around a little pulley there. I have to say, very handy. I use that all the time and love it. All right, here we go. 2 pins, 2 hydraulic hoses, and we're ready to go. Here we have it. I'll have to go back and figure out exactly how minutes it took outside of me running out of gas and talking, but it certainly wasn't too long.